Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with an Amazon haul, just from beauty to toiletries to household things. So, and I wrote all the prices down so I can tell you, but I will link everything down below. I use the Swab Sleek and Shine, Soft and Sleek shampoo and conditioner, and I really like it. This is compared to Tresemme Silky and Smooth conditioner, but I thought I would try this. Everything has gone up, especially in California, so everything is expensive. So we're trying out a lot of Amazon basic products this time to see if we can save some money. So I got the conditioner. It was $5. It was probably $4 something and some change, but I just rounded it up to $5. But if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment, and I'll let you know how if it works, if it's comparable, that kind of stuff. The next thing we got was the Amazon Basics Men's Body Wash in the Sport Scent. It is like Old Spice. I haven't smelled it yet, so yeah, it smells just like Old Spice. So yeah, and the Amazon Basics body wash was $6.93, whereas if you buy them at Target or Walmart for the name brand, it's a good $8.99 or something like that in California. So there is that. The next thing, well, here, we'll do this. The next thing I got was the Amazon Basics mouthwash, and you can compare it to Cool Mint Listerine. I purchased 2 of these, and they were $4.79 each, where that is like $1 or $2 less than the name brand of Listerine. So I purchased 2 of those, and those are a repurchase because we like them. Next thing I got was my facial cleanser. I don't get it off brand on this. I get the Pure Biology facial cleanser with Physio and Wrinkle Fix. It works. I don't have a lot of breakouts, so I don't know why I even try something else. This just works. And it was repurchased, and I paid $19.95 for this one. And then I purchased some essential oils. This is also a repurchase because we loved this so much. So we purchased it again. And this is a large bottle. So super excited that I got the large bottle this time. And it is the scent Autumn Wreath. You get 30 mLs. We use it all fall, and it smells delicious. It is made by P&J, and this was $7.99 for the essential oil. And then we were also running low on our paper plates. We like the 10-inch paper plates, so you have to pay just a little bit more for those. These were $14 for 100 of them. But they're also the Amazon Basics, much cheaper than the name brand, and these last us for a long time. It's just the 2 of us. Next, I got a beauty product. I was out of my eyeliner, or getting close to being out of it. I've used this before, the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in the shade Black. It stays put. It does the job, and it was only $3.65, so much cheaper, and so that works. And then I got another body wash for Greg to try. It's also made by Amazon. Comes with a pump, and then here is your body wash. It is Amazon Daily Body Wash in Vanilla Musk. I thought he could try that, and this one was $5. So much cheaper. You don't get quite as much, but I wanted to smell it. It does smell good. So we picked up that. And then the last two things I got was laundry stuff. I got the Oxiclean with odor blasters. We love it. It speaks for itself. We got the 5-pound package, and it was $11.78, so not too bad for the 5-pound. And then the last one, I don't know if anybody agrees with me here, but laundry detergent is so expensive. Whether you get liquid, powder, or the pods. So I thought we would try the Amazon Basics. You get 120 count for $21.78. The same size in a Tide was $28. So we're going to try these and see how they go. And you get a bunch. You get 120. And these are also for high efficiency washers. So that is my Amazon haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll link everything down below in the description. And everyone have a wonderful day. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.